Project code ITPYIP11. Project title MRI Image Classification of Brain Tumor using Deep Neural Network and Deployment using Web Framework. Abstract. Brain tumor. A brain tumor is a mass or growth of abnormal cells in our brain. Brain tumors can begin in your brain, or cancer can begin in other parts of your body and spread to your brain. Brain tumor treatment options depend on the type of brain tumor you have, as well as its size and location. Then, our project, we take brain tumor dataset and then training deep learning model using CNN. After training deep learning model, we deploy the Django web framework. And here we use SQLite 3 database. Existing concept. They are using semantic segmentation and each input multi-modality bioimaging data they are using. Modality bioimaging data. Existing drawback. They are not using ML and DL method, deep learning and machine learning method, and it not here then they are not focused on CNN model and best accuracy also process, best accuracy process also. Proposed concept. Our project, we take brain tumor image dataset, then we then data pre-processing method we can use here. Then after data pre-processing method, we can build neural networks manually. CNN convolution neural networks we using. And so after build neural networks, we train the model, deep learning model. After training deep learning model, we save HDF5 format. So after saving this format, we deploy this format HDF hierarchical data format 5 format to deploy the Django framework to get classifying the brain tumor. Here the Django framework you use here SQLite 3 database. Proposed advantages. To identify the brain tumor, to improve hospitalities of humans. This is the best model for identifying brain tumor. best model for deep learning to identify brain tumor. Existing technique. So they are using semantic segmentation. Proposed algorithm. Here we using CNN, deep CNN, then the Django Web localhost web framework. Then here we using SQL3 database and 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 Python libraries or framework also. Here TensorFlow and Keras, Django. These are the frameworks for Python. So deep learning frameworks. Architecture. First of all, we take brain tumor dataset. Then here future feature engineering process. Then after feature engineering, we train deep learning model with CNN. After training this model, we save the HDF5 format, and this format we deploy the Django framework. And after deploying this Django framework, we classifying affected or not to web through web, localhost web, brain tumor. Application is real time. Early and accurate diagnosis of brain tumor is a vital step in the medical fields. To deploy the brain tumor is the brain images and classification for medical field. Feature enhancement. To deploy the real time this process to use web application feature enhancement. To deploy the real time this process web application or desktop application and Android, iOS and anywhere else for AI model. Software used, technology used. So here Anaconda Navigator with Jupyter Notebook. Then DB browser, database browser, escalatory viewing. Why using this software? Jupyter is a free open source interactive web tool. Then and DB browser is also viewing databases. Minimum hardware requirements. Pentium 4 processor, Pentium 4 and then RAM 4 GB and 15 inches color display and then 40 GB hard disk. Thank you.